Welcome back to the new video. Now we created all those things in the previous video. So now what we are going to use is we are going to directly use the multer here now, so that we can upload the files. So in the previous video I have created this form, and now I'm gonna show you where we are going to use this upload here. So remember, the method is going to be the post there. Okay, so we are going to create the post method, and then we define the destination name here, which is upload here. Okay, so you can easily copy paste this and then go to this file and then just normally paste here. Okay, so this is my destination, and then I'm using the arrow function. I'm gonna request and a response here now. Okay, so after this, let's just go back to our documentation, and remember, we are going to use the disk method here. Okay, and now here you see those files. Okay, this single, and then the field name, and then array, and then the field name and maximum count. Okay, if you define the single, then we can easily upload the single files, single image, and the field name is going to be the name of our input field array, and then it takes the max count here and accepts an array of files with the field name. Okay, and optionally error out if more than max count. Yeah, if you are here in if we define that dot array method, which means that we are going to upload the images inside the array, then we are also going to define this size here. Okay, so if you want to see the example for the array, so let's just check out here, and then here is a single for this multer. Okay, uh, you can also define dot single here, so that we don't need to always pass, we just need to pass this upload as a middleware. I'll show you here. App dot post, yeah, there we go, upload dot single. Okay, so now let's just do this. Okay, we just want to use this disk storage here. Okay, so let's go back to our file. Okay, let me just create a file here. Okay, and this file is going to be our multer.js file. So inside this file, what I'm gonna need to do, I'm gonna need to just declare the multer code here. Okay, so let me just code this const multer, which is going to be require okay. uh, let's just go back there and also import the multer. So let's just import the multer here, copy paste this and then normally paste here. Now we have multer here. Now what we are going to do is to create the storage engine. So what storage is equal to, now remember, inside we are going to use that multer variable here, which is this variable. Okay, so I'm gonna multer dot this storage, and then this storage holds a variable here, sorry, object here. Okay, so here I'm gonna pass this destination. Okay, so we can easily pass the destination, or we want to pass the destination, we just you can easily create a function, or you can easily pass the destination by creating a folder which is known as uploads. This folder is going to be hold our files. Okay, function and then remember here we are going to pass the three variables: request, file, and cb. Cb is a function. Okay, so request, file, and then it's your cb. Inside this function we call the cb. The first parameter is for the error, which is going to be null. Okay, and the next parameter is going to be our destination. Remember, so our destination will be dot slash uploads. Yeah, let's check for the spell. Yeah, it's good. Now after this destination, I'm gonna pass the next thing, is file name, then function. Alright, three parameters: request, file, oh shit, file, and then it's your cb. Not pc, actually it's cb, sorry. So we are going to call this cb function, and the first argument is going to be the null, and then we are going to pass this file name here like this. Okay, so how we can do this: file dot original name. Okay, then we want to concatenate with this dash plus for the concatenation, and next is file dot field name. Okay, and then again concatenation, and then dash, and the next argument is okay, so date dot now. Okay, so here we have this file, and now what we can do, we have this storage variable, and now we need a method here. Not method, actually it's a variable which is normal upload here. So let's just create that upload. Okay, for upload is going to equal to multer, and then storage is going to be the storage variable. Okay, and if we can also pass this single here. Okay, and if you don't want to pass this single here, so we can save this, and next thing we are going to module dot exports, which is going to equal to the upload here. Okay, so let's just import this file. Here we are going to use the const upload, which is going to be equal to require, and we are going to require the we are going to require dot slash, which is a multer file here. Okay, so I'm importing this file here. I have passed the file name, and which is going to dynamically file name. It is not going to be equal because the time is going to change. Okay, so now here I have this file. Now what I'm gonna need to do, I'm gonna just pass. Remember, we need to pass this inside the post route. Okay, so let me just give you an example here. Yeah, there we go. We are going to pass this upload as a middleware. Okay, so let me, here is my post route, then there's a comma, and I'm gonna use this upload dot single, and then the field name, which is my f name here. I'm gonna back, and then I'm gonna use this as usual. Now let me just check this. Let me just create a file normal. Okay, so let me just remove this for this starting purpose, and let me just use this console.log, and I'm gonna console.log here request dot file dot file name. Okay, so just clear this and node app.js. So every time, okay, let me just check this once again, and then I'm gonna just dot uh, redirect to web. Okay, so all of this now just clear node app.js, and just go to file, refresh this file. Okay, wait, rerun the server, node app.js connected, and then there we go, select the file. Okay, so I'm gonna this picture section here, and I'm gonna select this login.php png, sorry, and then I'm gonna click upload. Cannot post. Okay, so now I get this error because I have to pass this slash. Now, okay, sorry, if I rerun, go back, refresh, and then okay, and then let's see what happened. Back, yeah, we found a file name here. Okay, and if you go this method, we find a file also here, but it's not issue because it's not unsupported format here, but we are uploading the files here. Now let's just delete this file from upload page or upload section. Now next thing that I want to do, I want to upload this file inside a MongoDB. Okay, so here is my this schema. What I'm gonna need to do is I'm gonna pass this image dot create. Okay, and I'm gonna pass object here. The object is going to be var image name. I'm not gonna pass the path. I'm gonna pass image. Okay, and I'm not gonna pass the path. I'm gonna pass this file name, and then I'm gonna whenever I want to show, I'm just gonna specify this location, upload location. Okay, so let's just create this object here, and remember this name should be equal. Okay, now image, which is going to be request dot file, sorry, file dot file. Getting the okay, so as you know, whenever I send this post request, I'm console.log the file. So inside this create, I'm gonna use this image name variable, and let me just pass this as a object. Okay, and then we are going to pass this callback here, which is going to pass error and then uploaded data. Okay, so what I'm gonna need to do, I'm gonna this if error. Remember, when we are defining this if condition and uses this return statement or anything in the same line, then this code will execute only if this condition is true. Return res dot send error. Okay, else we are not going to define the else because this condition only learn when is there any error. Else we are going to console dot log uploaded data. Okay, so let me just okay, sorry, so let's just run this file node app.js. We are running, moving back. Okay, selecting the file. Let me just select this log.png now. Okay, and then we are going to back. Okay, so here's an error. Cannot set header after they sent. Okay, we have to pass this inside this method. That's a very basic error. Rerun the application. Okay, going back, refresh again, logout.png, open this file for upload. Yeah, okay, there is error, and the error is the path image is required, type required. Okay, image. uh okay, so this error because we need a image. So let me just clear this and think. The error is here. Okay, so this is my okay, so let me just do this. Request.file.file name I'm passing here. So what if I'm just using this and then var this equal to request dot file dot file name, and not just pass here, just pass this simple object which is going to the image. Okay, so it's again this is a problem. So let me just go back and then go refresh, upload image, this, and then upload. Yeah, so we have created. Actually this is because I'm passing the object here. Okay, so you can easily simple pass. Yeah, now I have created this file. I have this logout.png here. So let me just destroy this again, destroy this, and let me just destroy this also. And let's just open our robo. Okay, and refresh here. Yeah, there we go. Open this and this collection, upload image, and there we go, we have a file. But now I want to delete this. Okay, so after this video, now we know that how we can upload the images. Okay, so if we can easily upload the image to our this folder. After this video, we are going to, in the next video we can say, we are going to implement or understand how we can delete the images from database as well as from this upload folder also. Okay, so let's just rerun node.js and go back and then choose file and then okay, upload this. And if we go back and refresh this, okay, collections and then upload, and yeah, there we go, we have this our file here. Now if we are going to the upload folder here, and we can see our files also here. So in the next video I'm going to tell you how you can delete the image from database as well as from this image folder. Okay, so see you in the next video, and remember, please subscribe and like the channel if you like the video. Okay, so see you in the next video.